So hi guys, hello everybody, welcome to my channel Usman Creation and welcome to my new video. So I will tell you in this video about Erkan Meriç and Yagmur now together, and Hazal Subaşi as we are crying about this, tell Erkan Meriç I need you come back, and I collect these all photos from Instagram. I hope so you will be enjoy these all of photographies, and make sure if you new here like this video and subscribe my channel for more latest video. Also press the bell icon to all notification to receive my new video to you. And thank you so much for coming my channel, and thank you so much for watching this video, and share this video also to your friends to tell them like this video and subscribe my channel for more latest video. And don't forget this. Thank you for coming. Thank you for everything. See you in the next video. Bye bye.